I've come up with is a coffee table that opens out, it becomes a bed, or take the mattress out and it'll close up again and you can use that for toy storage. What I've done is I've bought just one 21mm sheet of ply with a really good face on it. I've already cut that up. I'm going to assemble this. Once I've given it a sand and a polyurethane over the top, it'll look really sharp. First job is to pre-drill the screw holes. I'm doing this before I glue the edges together so that the sawdust doesn't clog up the glue. It's always best practice to glue as well as screw joints for maximum stability and strength. Well, that's step one completed. Essentially, I'm now going to make the mirror image of this, but I've got to do it upside down and back to front. See how we go. Next step in the process is simply to attach the two parts together. I'm going to router these in and then we can close it back up again. Well, this is the moment that it simply goes from being a bed back to a coffee table. It works. I can fit the casters. To hide the screws, I'm making some plugs using a drill bit made just for the job. It's less obvious than using wood filler. Then it's just a case of gluing them all in. A good sand all over and it's ready for painting. I'm opting for essentially a blonde look, a whitewash. So my first coat is a whitewash, my second coat, which is the Eurothane, is all about the protection. I'm putting a fairly thin layer of whitewash on. A heavier coat would make it whiter. And then that's it, job done.
I can give you anything, just tell me what you want. A house, a car, a planet or two, a mighty ship with a sailing crew. All you have to do
That works?
It does.
That's awesome. Well, I think it looks fantastic, but it's Joe and Richard whose opinions matter the most. So everybody needs a coffee table. But that will also open up.
Oh, that is so cool.
And become a little daybed.
So cool.
Yeah.
It's super cool. Oh my god.